If you asked me 2 years ago when I left my corporate job if I would be starting a YouTube channel about woodworking, my answer would have been hell no. But here we are, and I'm doing a YouTube channel about woodworking. In this video, I'll be showcasing the different steps I took to build a TV stand cabinet. I decided to build something for myself since February was a pretty slow month. Since I'm starting out, it's a little difficult to know exactly how much time I'll be spending making the item or the piece of furniture, so that this time I really calculated by minute, like precisely each step, and I think that's gonna be very beneficial going forward. To help with the assembly, I went ahead and used business joiner, but I wished I had a best tool domino, but what can I say? I'm poor and I don't have the money for that right now. But it did help to align certain aspects as I was gluing up the carcass of the cabinet. For the doors, I went ahead and tried a diamond-shaped pattern carved into a 3/4 inch MDF. I had seen this on Instagram from a fellow woodworker. I think he was based in Calgary. I don't know his name, and I pretty much not sure who he is and haven't seen his work, I think, since it's been 5 years. So if ever you guys know who I'm talking about, you can let me know in the comments. It would be truly appreciated because I do want to give him credit. Because it's made out of solid red oak, I did go ahead and stain this using a water-based stain. I kind of regret it. The color came out okay. It's not very consistent color everywhere. Ideally, I would have not stained the cabinet, especially on the inside. I think inside, I don't know, I would have needed to stain the pieces of wood prior to assembling it, or maybe just keep it natural.